0 to Professional English Course. A creation of Habib Riyaz.
Role play for English speaking and understanding.
Role play 23. Discussion in the embassy for visa.
Rahul wants to go to America. He wants to buy a visa, so he goes to the embassy. He leaves the house as follows.
Daddy, I am going to the embassy. I will come back soon.
Okay, son, please drive carefully and do not be in a hurry, okay?
Sure, Daddy, inshallah.
Rahul reaches the embassy and talks with the worker as follows.
Hello, sir.
Hello? What do you want?
I want a visa.
What kind of visa do you want?
Visit visa.
Is your passport ready?
Yes, sir. My passport is ready.
Show me your passport.
Here is my passport.
Where do you want to travel?
I want to travel to the USA.
Okay, now I will ask you for some information. Please cooperate with me.
Sure, sir.
For how many days will you stay in the USA?
Only for 5 months.
With what purpose are you going there?
I want to go there for tourism.
Oh, you want to go for a picnic.
Yes, sir?
Are you alone, or is there anyone else with you?
No, I am not alone. My wife will be with me as well.
Did you book the ticket?
Yes, sir, we have booked the ticket.
Show the tickets.
I'm sorry, sir. I actually forgot to bring my ticket with me.
You will have a picture of it, just show it.
Oh, yes, I have a picture of it on WhatsApp. Here it is.
Well, now you fill out this form.
Okay, sir.
Did you fill out the form?
Just 1 second, sir. 1 second. Here you go.
Yes, now you must pay the visa fee, otherwise it may be delayed.
How much should I pay, sir?
1,200 USD for one visa.
OMG, it is so costly.
No. This is the common rate for USA visas nowadays.
Okay, no problem. Start the work and here is the payment.
Yes, of course.
Sir, I wanted to ask you one thing. When can I get this visa?
Don't worry. Your visa will be ready within a week.
Is it not possible to get it just after 3 days?
I can't say anything right now, but I will try and do one thing. Write down my contact number and contact me after 3 days.
Okay, sir. I will write down your contact. No. Inshallah, I will call you after 3 days.
Okay. Now you can go.
Okay, sir. See you then.
Sure.
For a better experience of the course, you should buy our book, Golden English, Intermediate Level 2, 0 to Professional English Guide, a golden gift for English learners.
What is inside the book?
This book is very beneficial for intermediate level students. It contains part of speech, auxiliary verbs or modals, some additional structure of English sentences, 20 stories for Urdu to English practice, direct and indirect, 20 lessons for English text reading and understanding, 35 lessons for English speaking practice, and many more things.
I am sure that my book, Golden English, would be a perfect need for English learners, as this will serve as a complete guide to improve their English skills, starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Especially translation, English text understanding, and speaking skills, whether starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Error is human nature, so if you notice any mistakes in the book, please do not hesitate to inform me. I would be grateful for this act of kindness.
If you like, you may share this course with your friends and relatives.
To stay updated about our courses and opportunities, please follow us on the links given below in the description.